For my Hallmark 1 project, curriculum, audit, and alignment, I focused on 10th grade American History 1 at Pamlico County High School. Pamlico County High is located in eastern North Carolina. It's a rural school with only a little over 400 students. I specifically worked with one teacher who is the sole teacher for delivering this content. The North Carolina Standard Course of Study for American History 1, along with the essential standards, the clarifying objectives, and the unpacking documents of this specific curriculum were reviewed. It's also important to note that new standards are being written and will be implemented next school year for all the social studies courses that we all currently teach. This project determined that more emphasis needs to be placed on PLCs and allowing access to other educators who teach the same subjects to observe best practices. Also, access to updated textbooks and technology is also needed since the school is a one-to-one laptop initiative school. The North Carolina Teacher Working Conditions Survey, qualitative data from teacher interviews, PLC notes, assessment data, and curriculum guides and maps were reviewed for improvement of instructional practices. A little bit of background, teachers have a weekly PLC time, 1 hour on Tuesdays during their remediation or lunchtime. In addition, all teachers have a 90-minute planning block built into their daily schedule. I did a lot of informal conversations or interviews with the teachers in this department. There's four, as well as the main teacher that teaches this content. And most felt that there is not a whole lot of guidance during their PLC time, and common data does not really exist since all four teachers teach different subjects. The North Carolina Teacher Working Conditions Survey also supports these concerns. The recommendations section of this project focuses on the strong need for more professional development and future training on the new standards and curriculum alignment that will be implemented next school year. In addition, specific focus on Dufour's PLC process would help teachers have more guidelines and set expectations for their PLCs and how to really build upon their work that's being done there and to analyze individual student data more effectively.